All right, guys, here we got the iPhone 11 Pro and the 11 Pro Max in the studio. We're gonna be unboxing them for you real quick, just so you guys see what's in the box, what it looks like, and so on. I'm sure you've seen a lot of videos out there in regards to the 11 Pros, so I won't get into too many details, but just wanted to go through the unboxing experience and have you guys join us. So we'll get right into it, starting with the 11 Pro. So that's interesting. This is the space gray. Usually with all other iPhone unboxings, the phone's facing up, not down. So the screen's usually on this side. As you can see, they want to highlight the cameras and flipped it around. That was pretty interesting to notice. This is it. That's the 3 camera. You've got a telephoto, wide angle, and a super wide angle. That is a nice color. It's the matte black. Frosted glass back, and it's definitely much more slipperier than some of the other ones. There's frictions. I can slide my finger easily, but when I get to the Apple logo, there's more friction on the Apple logo than there is on the phone itself. So it's definitely much more slipperier than previous models. Give you a shot at the cameras again. Very nice. So in the box, guys, we've got the regular Apple stickers. This is another thing that they changed, so I'll just take note of that. And comes with the matching USB-C to Lightning cable. That's going to get you your fast charging. Like I said, fast charging with the 11 Pros in the box. No fast charging with the regular 11s. So again, one more look at the matte black space gray. Officially looks a little on the black side, kind of has a silverish hue when the light hits it. It's really nice. And then you've got the kind of the glossy finish where the cameras are. Overall, a very nice looking phone. Very nice. So I'll put that down. Now we're gonna get into this bad boy here, the 11 Pro Max. This is in that midnight green color that everybody is raving about. Go ahead and get her opened up. They're definitely doing some different things when it comes to the colors of the phone. And look at that, man. Oh man, that is a very nice color, guys. So same thing in the box, same fast charge, same USB to Lightning cable, exclusive in the 11 Pros, not included in the 11 regular iPhone 11 phones. This here is the 11 Pro Max. midnight green. Same thing, we've got that frosted green finish, very slippery. And they've got the glossy green where the cameras are. Same camera setup on this one. That is a beautiful phone. Some of the older iPhones would have a different colored side, either black or silver, and this one's got like a greenish tint to it, almost. Kind of matching the same color as the phone itself. A 6.5-inch display. That is a beautiful device there. So there you have it. Unboxing the 11 Pro, the 11 Pro Max. We'll be doing a video later on with the devices, how they stack up with daily use. I'm sure iPhone's always been very good when it comes to performance, but these guys are supposed to have longer battery lives. We're going to put that to the test. But until then, I will catch you guys on the next one.